Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday and Tuesday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us, and we can see that after the market opening, Euro USD is witnessing some sort of selling pressure right now. Do not consider that is a huge selling pressure. No. Usually on Monday mornings, market remains slow, so there is some sort of selling going on. Okay. At first, look at a chart of DXY once, and here is a 4-hour DXY chart. You can see after the market opening, DXY is going up. As we know, there is a correlation with the DXY and the Euro USD. When DXY US dollar goes up, we generally see Euro USD going down, and when DXY goes down, we generally see Euro USD going up. So I have clearly explained on my previous video that we have a strong support, very strong support on the chart of US dollar at 95.80 to 95.50. Okay, and right now it is going up. There is a good possibility of market facing some selling pressure at this trend line. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is the support for DXY. So if it goes up, then there will be some selling, and when the market will be standing, DXY will be standing at a trend line, and if it reverses, we will see some buying on Euro USD again. Okay, so keep your eyes on the chart of DXY also. And here goes our Euro USD. So first of all, I would like to mention that overall, whatever we have discussed on Saturday, all the levels are still intact. We still have 1.1370 to 75 at the top as a very strong support, sorry, resistance. Okay, then we have second best resistance at 1.1350. Okay, this is also a resistance for the market, but right now market is going down, so therefore the first support for Euro USD will be at 1.1260, this level. You can see that we have a minus support at this particular level, but on Saturday also I clearly mentioned that apart from this level, we also have a trend line coming from the bottom, so which makes it a very crucial level for Euro USD. And as we have got two supports in this level, therefore there is a good possibility of Euro USD bouncing from this level. In case there is a buying on DXY also, Euro USD will remain sideways. Euro USD will try to hold this level because we have got double support at this level, and there is a possibility of Euro USD bouncing from here. If it bounces, definitely you can take a buy position for, let's say, for day trading purpose, 1 or 2 days purpose, not for a long time. Okay, and in case Euro USD breaks the trend line or the support of 1.1260, then the next important support for Euro USD will be 1.1235, this level. This level will be acting as the next support for the market or the ultimate support for Euro USD. In case Euro USD comes down to the 1.1235 level, there is a good possibility of market bouncing, and you can take a buy if it bounces. So right now, just keep your eyes on these levels. If you want a detailed analysis of Euro USD, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, because see, I do not want to bore you. That's why uh, I did not repeat the same stuff. And for day trading purpose, if we go to the 15 minutes chart, then in the 15 minutes chart also we do not have any proper levels. Okay, so these are the only good and safe levels for Euro USD, and I'll recommend you strongly not to trade in the middle. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you, and don't be a gambler, be a trader. Okay. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus, I also share 1 or 2 live signals each and every day. Apart from this, I do many things. So if you want to become a part of the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Okay, so please go to it. Hopefully you like it. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.